Yo, hey guys, SmallmouthCrush. Today's video is going to be a unique twist on the Gajo Spirit Shad. That's all coming up.
That was a pretty good opening. You sound like you know what you're doing.
What's up there, Will?
What's up, buddy?
So you know I love fishing the Gajo Spirit Shad, and I fish it a lot on a drop shot.
Right.
But today, we're gonna share a little secret that's been kind of close kept in the Gajo community.
Right.
And so what are you actually doing with this Gajo today?
Well, most guys fish, everyone knows Gajo Spirit Shads are a drop shot bait. They mimic the gobies in the Great Lakes.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the twist that I've been using over the years, and I've been sharing with my pro staffs, and kind of keeping it a secret, and now it's starting to get out there, is the new hot bait that's out there is the Ned Rig. Everyone's throwing a Ned Rig. Well, you can take the Gajo Spirit Shad and you can rig it as a Ned Rig and use it as a Ned Rig bait.
And that makes sense.
It makes sense.
Are close to the bottom.
Are on the bottom. Use the Ned Rig with the Spirit Shad. Makes the goby makes the Spirit Shad swim on the bottom, stay on the bottom just like the gobies do.
Sure. So you're fishing a Ned Rig. We're in severe cold front conditions, so that's a good choice. Super slow and just crawling it along the bottom.
Exactly,
And
just like that.
Nice.
Oh, and he's off.
Oh, come on.
He came off.
Come on. What color are you using?
This is it's one of our signature series, Paradise colors.
Uh-huh. Nice.
You can go on the website and see all our colors up on there.
Yep.
We will have new baits. We are coming out with a Ned Rig, grubs. We've been posting a lot of stuff on Instagram and stuff like that. And yeah, we have a new line coming out this year. We have 6 new baits coming out this year, 2020.
Gotcha. So guys, I'm going to use a black Spirit Shad, which is one of my favorite colors. I'm going to put it on a chartreuse head, rigged just like so. See if we can get a couple bites with that guy. Well, that was a good one here on the Gajo Spirit Shad. Whew. Fishing it as a Ned Rig. There it is. What a deadly combo. That's a good fish, man. That's pushing 5 pounds. I'll take that any day. Beautiful fish.
Good one. Another hog on the Spirit Shad. Wow, this thing's a giant. We got another giant, Travis, on the Spirit Shad.
I see that.
I'm gonna bring it back your way, Travis. Bring it back here. Look at that thing.
Nice. Another big, strong smallmouth on the Spirit Shad. Fishing it as a Ned Rig. So you can fish that shallow, you'll be able to fish that bait in 2 feet of water, you'll be able to fish that bait out in 30 feet of water.
Yeah. Next time you go out, get yourself some Spirit Shads, give it a try, folks. You won't regret it.
Nice. That feels heavy. That feels like a heavy fish right there, guys. Yeah, not bad. That's a monster. A monster bass. Go ahead, Travis. Well, there you go, guys. Ned rigging, a Gajo Spirit Shad, putting some pretty good smallmouth in the boat for us today. You got him.
I got him. feels like a good one.
Yeah, there's been some good fish on these Spirit Shads. Fished them as a Ned rig today.
Just the action of these things on a Ned rig is it's crazy.
Yeah.
They stand straight up, and the softness of the bait makes, that's another good one. The softness of the bait just makes the tail action on them just crazy. There's another big one.
Look at that.
That's how the bait is in there. That
Nice.
comes out just like that. Let's go ahead.
So we're fishing these Spirit Shads on Ned rig. We're in about 8 feet of water. I'm using a 7-foot medium light rod. I like light braid to an 8-pound fluorocarbon leader. And you can see we're not working it too fast. You just want to work it real slow. You don't want to overwork this rig. Let the bait do its job.
Here's got him.
You got him.
The smaller one.
Little guy.
For now, I'm doing the. Open up, big girl. I got you. Come on, big girl. Yes.
Another stud.
Another stud. Look at this thing. The Gajo Spirit Shad.
So listen, we had a 26 some pound bag. Just filming this little short clip. Some awesome fishing today. Ned rigging the Gajo Spirit Shad. Who would have thought? I'm a believer. Definitely a believer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give the Gajo, I know the Gajos work. You guys see me catch them on a drop shot, but try them on a Ned rig. I know it's gonna help you catch more fish. And as always, until next time, we'll see you guys on the water.